The good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 18 from verse 15 to verse 17. Jesus blessed the little picnic them. People did not carry them baby God Jesus fin touch them. Jesus special follower them see what go on and start tell off the people them and run them. But Jesus tell them to come when him say, make the little picnic them come to me. Not tap them, cause God kingdom have a people will come in like them little picnic. Me tell you this year, and I true me attack. Anybody when you trust in a God and follow him like one little picnic, now can go in a God kingdom. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.